I'm Holly Olson, and I'd like to introduce you to my mileage calculator app. As you can see here on the home page, you have three options. You can enter trip miles, or you can enter your odometer readings, or you can just go look at the mile per gallon log. In trip miles, you enter your trip miles here, you enter your gallons, you push calculate, and it shows you how many miles per gallon that you got. You'll push save, and it'll take you to the miles per gallon log, which it'll automatically put in the date next to the miles per gallon that you received. What's really nice about this is even though you can only see the current 15 miles per gallon log, you could scroll down all the way to 100. Once you've reached 100, it'll start to delete the oldest log so that it keeps you current and up to date with the most current 100 logs. You push home, go to odometer reading. Odometer reading looks just like trip miles, except you enter the beginning odometer reading and the ending odometer reading the first time. And then after that, the ending odometer reading will automatically go into the start odometer reading. So when you open it up, it'll look like this, and you'll just have to enter your end odometer reading and the gallons of gas you got, and then push calculate, and it'll give the miles per gallons that you received. You push save, and like I said, it'll put the date in and the miles per gallon that you got, and you can push home. One nice thing about this is if you just want to see how well your car is doing, you don't have to go through adding to see that. All you'd have to do is push the miles per gallon log, and it'll show you the current up-to-date ones. Now I'm going to take you through my wireframes. The first wireframe, my user went through very easily, but she found that she didn't really like the color, and that on the second and third screen, she didn't like how the home button was square while the calculate and save buttons were oval. She figured ovals should signify buttons. So I went back and I fixed that and made the home button oval as well, and had another user try it. She liked it very well, but then when she got back to she pushed home and she got back to the home page, she didn't like that because she felt that buttons should all be oval. So I went and fixed that, and that's what it looked like. Then I went and I did my digital prototype. The first person that did my digital prototype, the first user, realized I didn't have a 0 in my number keypad. So I drew up a couple different options and chose this one for how my number keypad should look. Then I took the digital prototype to another user, and she walked through it and she really liked it. But she and other users that I have used after that and some fellow classmates have told me the color is not easy on the eyes and the font is hard to read. So I went back and I changed that up, and also I was told that my buttons were pretty big, so I fixed those as well. And then this is what I have come up with. This is what my final calculator app looks like.